Good medical morning. Today we're going to look at 3 of our most favorite dermatology videos. They include ear blackheads, a big amateur nose pimple, and 2016's Pimple Pop of the Year. Stick around until the end as I tell you more about this big blackhead image. Here we go.
Oh, yeah. Hold on, let's get a close-up on it first before you do it. Let's get it before and after. Alright, so that's a... Holy crap. Oh my god. Dude, there's I can see it. It's like yellow right there.
Oh, I can feel it.
Oh, see?
Oh.
You have to get it over with now. Do you want that pimple? You gotta get it over with now. Do it. Oh! Oh my god, wipe it off right now. Oh my god. That's so, oh my
gosh, Miguel.
dude, I told you. Oh my. Is that the pimple residue from last time?
No, I cleaned that. What is that though? I think that's from these little ones. Oh my gosh.
I'm not feeling so good.
Oh, that is just
Straight up.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh my god! Oh my god! This is worse than the first one. Tony, there's blood all on the wall.
On the wall?
On the mirror.
Oh! What the fuck?
Oh my! I'm telling Nico right now.
Oh! Disgusting!
Oh.
Tell me when it hurts, okay?
Nothing? Oh, wow!
Ew!
What the hell is that?
Does that hurt?
No.
Is it pus? Yeah, it's like pus and like a big...
Like a hard
Blackhead.
one, like pus mixed with gum. Wonder, give a nice good one.
Ooh.
Got tweezers?
I do, but it's upstairs. Oh my god. Does that hurt? No?
Is that everything?
Wow, hold on. Did that hurt?
No.
No?
I think it's out, Jerry.
Is it?
I think it's gonna be the tail, maybe.
Yeah.
Do you find yourself exhausted, lethargic, or just unmotivated? That means you aren't getting the deep, restful sleep you need. It's time to check out Rest More. Rest More is an all-natural herbal supplement designed to maximize your brain's ability to rest. Let's hear from some people like you.
Just had a baby 5 months ago, and I was having a hard time sleeping at night after I had her, obviously, and I tried this Rest More, and I'm sleeping so much better every night.
Doesn't make me feel groggy, fall asleep pretty easy, wake up refreshed, best sleep I ever had. Amazing, I would refer it to anybody.
Tried this for a month and it works great. I got a full night of sleep, wake up feeling nice and well rested, and now I can finally get to bed on time and have a full night of sleep.
What's better, Rest More is available on Amazon. So click the link right now in the description below. Order a bottle today and start getting the best sleep of your life. And back to our image from earlier. The giant blackhead you see there is supposed to be a dilated pore of Weiner, which is a large, impacted blackhead. But it is a Photoshop. Nice.